Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your maths teacher, Hafiz Faizan. In this video, we will learn about the multiplication of polynomials. So let's start. Multiplication of polynomials. We will learn this with a question. It is exercise number 5.2. It's question number 6. Its first part. There are two polynomials x plus 3 into x square minus 3x plus 9. Question is find the product. Product means multiplication. Find the product of the following polynomials. Okay. So two polynomials are given and we will multiply these two polynomials. So its first step is we will write the given polynomial in a vertical form like this. Write first that polynomial which has more term. So in both polynomials you can see that this polynomial has 3 terms and this polynomial has 2 terms. So first write this polynomial and then write that polynomial which has 2 terms in a vertical form, and we will also write these polynomials in a descending order. It's your choice, you can write in an ascending order. Okay, after writing the given polynomials in a vertical form, we will multiply each term of second polynomial with the first polynomial. So first of all we will take x and then we will multiply this x with each term of this polynomial. Okay, x multiplied by x square, we know that when the bases are same and we will add their exponents. So the exponent of this x is 1 and the exponent of this x is 2. So when we multiply x square with x, so we will add their exponents, so it becomes x cube. Okay, x multiplied by x square is x cube. Now we will multiply x with minus 3x. Again minus 3 write as it is. Okay, now x multiplied by x, adding their exponents. One exponent is there and one exponent is there. Okay, so x multiplied by x, it is x square, minus 3 as it is. So the multiplication of minus 3x with x is minus 3x square. Now multiply this x with the last term of the polynomial. X multiplied by 9, it is 9x. Okay, now we will multiply this second term with each term of first polynomial. Now multiply 3 with x square, it will be 3x square. We will write the x square term exact below the x square term. Okay, we will write the like terms in a column. So x square and square we will write in one column. Okay, so there is a plus sign, there is a plus sign. So plus 3 multiplied by plus x square, it is plus 3x square. So there is a plus sign. Now we will multiply 3 with minus 3x. Plus minus, in a multiplication it is equal to minus. So first place a minus, and 3 threes are 9, x remains as it is. So minus 9x. We will write the x term exact below the x term. We will write the like term in one column. Okay, so plus 9x, we will write the minus 9x exact below the x term. Okay, now multiply 3 with 9. 9 threes are 27. In this line there is no constant term, so write constant separately like this. Okay, now we will add these two polynomials. X cube as it is. There is a plus sign and there is minus sign. Plus minus, plus 3 minus 3 cancel with each other. It becomes 0. Plus 9x minus 9x, it is also equal to 0, and plus 27. So the answer of the product of these two polynomial is x cube plus 27. Okay, there is another question, multiplication of two polynomials. The first polynomial is a plus b plus c, and second one is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. There are 6 number of terms in this polynomial, so we will write this polynomial first, and there are 3 number of terms, so we will write this polynomial after writing this polynomial. Okay, consider this one is a second polynomial and this one is the first polynomial. It's your choice, you can write first this polynomial and then this polynomial. Okay, but it is for our convenience to write, to take that polynomial first which has more terms. Okay, now multiply. We will multiply this a with each term of this polynomial. Okay, a into a square is a cube. A multiplied by b square, it is ab square. A multiplied by c square, it is ac square, plus a multiply minus ab square. There is a and there is a. A into a square, b. So it will be minus a square b. Now multiply a with minus bc. So it will be minus abc. Now multiply a with minus ca. So it is minus ca square. Okay. Now multiply b with each term of the above polynomial. B multiplied by a square, it is a square b. So we will write the like terms in one column. So a square b in a first see where is a square b. There is a square b term. So we will write the a square b term exact below this term. Okay. We will write the like terms in a one column. Now multiply b with b square, it is b cube. B cube is not here, so write b cube separately here. Now multiply b with c square, it is bc square. Okay, bc square is also not lying here, so we will write this bc square separately. Now multiply b with minus ab. It will be minus ab square. Minus ab square we will write exact below this term because there is also a ab square. Now multiply b with minus bc. It is minus b square c. So write this term separately, minus bc square. Now multiply b with last term, that is minus ca. So it will be minus abc. Write exact below the term minus abc. Okay, because we will write the like terms in one column. Now multiply c with a square. So it is plus a square c or ca square. This one is ca square. Right here exact below this term ca square. Okay. Now multiply c with b square. It is b square c or c b square. Okay. So write exact below the b square c term here plus b square c. Now multiply c with c square. It will be c cube. So write this c cube separately here. Now multiply c with minus ab. So it will be minus abc. Multiplication of c with ab, it is abc. So write exact below the abc term. Now multiply c with minus bc. There is plus sign, there is minus sign, plus multiplication of plus and minus is minus. So it will be minus bc square. So write exact below the bc square term. Now multiply by plus c with minus ca. It is minus c square a. So write exact below the ac square term. Okay, this one. Now we have to add these three terms. Okay, so a cube, write as it is. Now there is plus ab square and there is minus ab square. Due to opposite sign, these two terms cancel with each other. No need to write anything here. Okay. Now plus ac square and minus ac square also cancel with each other. Minus a square b plus a square b cancel with each other. Now adding the coefficients of abc. The coefficient of abc is minus 1. There is also minus 1. There is also minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1, it is minus 2. Minus 2 and minus 1, it is minus 3 abc. Okay. Now minus ca square and plus ca square cancel with each other because they have opposite signs. Okay, it's just like a plus 2 and minus 2. 2 minus 2, it is equal to 0. So cancel with each other. And b cube as it is, and plus bc square and minus bc square cancel with each other. Minus b square c and plus b square c, due to opposite signs, cancel with each other, and plus c cube as it is. Now rearrange the answer. So first write the a cube term, then we write b cube term, then c cube term, and then minus 3abc term. I hope you understood this video, this question. Thanks for watching this video.